Hey guys, welcome to my first bike check. Moving to the top of the bike, we have Bmx Smiling Grips, fly bikes. The bars, we have Colt Leader V2 bars, 8.5 rise. The stem, we have a Sub Rosa front load stem. Moving down to the headset, we have a FSA headset. Forks is Haro forks. The entire bike used to be Haro. Then I put a lot of custom parts onto it. Fit FAF front tire. I really like this tire. I have stock spokes, stock nipples, stock hub. So I don't know if it's Haro or what. Then moving over here, we have a Colt butter peg, front and back. Right there. Moving to the frame, we have a Haro frame, some stickers on it. Right here it says Frost. Right here it says Bros. Alright, moving down to my bottom bracket, I have a Black Label bottom bracket. I really love the look of this bottom bracket. Let me get it to focus. I really love the look of it. I have stolen mob cranks. I got these most recently, and my bottom bracket most recently. Moving on to my pedals, I love Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. Probably my favorite. These right here are probably my favorite out of all the pairs I've had. My sprocket is stock, Haro sprocket I guess. Moving to the chain, we have a Shadow Half Link Interlock 2 chain. I love this chain, hasn't popped on me at all. I've had it for a couple months now. Moving on to the back tire. Oh, got a Shadow Conspiracy seat, Haro clamp. Okay, moving on the back, we have a Flybikes Ramta tire. Oh, sorry about that. Flybikes Ramta tire. Tan wall. Black Label rim. Let's see, I don't know my nipples, I don't know my spokes, I don't know my hub. Because I just got this wheel complete, so it's probably all Black Label or something. And yeah, I think that's everything, so thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe on how you think my bike is.